This is my part 2 of opening a Christmas gifts. So let's see who's next. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is... Okay, this one is for Mommy. Mommy, because our wallis is broken in the room.
Thanks, DJ, for the wonderful gift.
Yeah, that's okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Sure. Okay.
And this is a part 2 because this is today because
Okay.
we're doing it all of them.
Nag-witch na ako. Sige.
Alright, next is... Let's see. Alright. What's this? Alright, next is to Nanay from MS. Who is MS? MS. Who is M.S? To Nanay from MS. Nanay! Nanay! Later na lang guys. Because flirty. Alright, next is... Let's see, that's this.
Uy, ay, naalis na kayo?
To DJ and Mommy from MS. Who is MS?
Kasi, kami nga.
Alright, make sure it's subscribe to funny joke. Who is MS?
That's Ems.
Huh?
Mika, May, Marie.
Oh yeah, this is DJ and Mommy. Which one? Which one? Open? Okay, let's see guys. Alright, today we're opening our first present gift. Alright, let's see. Make sure I subscribe if I get something good.
Speed.
I cannot do
You rip it.
Okay, I'll rip it guys.
It's fragile.
Why you said that? What do you mean it's fragile? Yes, please open it for the Christmas fun family. Alright. Alright, make sure. Where should I open it? Just open. Wala akong fingers.
Wala nga! Wait, di ko alam eh. Ano yung sabihin kong balot? Listen, watch, and learn.
Yeah, he's smart. She's smart pala.
Kailangan niya ni BJ at saka natin.
Oh my God. She's
Ayaw
smart.
na!
Alright, let's open it.
Bakit balik? Okay, what is it?
Oh
Oh my gosh, it's Katinko! Yay!
And we have a Katinko Relaxing Adventure Kit. What is this?
That's cool.
Yeah, I prefer it. Rate 10 out of 10. W. Alright. Next. Nanay. Oh, Nanay. Here's your present gift. Make sure open it. Alright. Should I go now? Alright. Let's open it. Okay? Alright. Next is...
Careful. That's part of it.
Oh, okay. This is for Atipika.
Okay, it's me, my turn.
Warning, it's no caution. You're gonna open this all of it. Open it. Oh, okay. It's very fragile. Be careful.
DJ, ano ba yan? Ba't ganito naman?
Just open it at your home. Never mind. Be careful. It's very, very fragile.
Careful.
Let's see my minutes. It's 4 minutes. We're gonna go and continue.
Ang baho mo daw. Pinag-naamoy mo.
It's cute! Look at him. Look who he got. He got a kitty one. Let's see my minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna, continue this one. So make sure go to the other video. Okay guys, let's go to the other video now because it's no 5 minutes. Go to the other video, okay? You're doing it all of you. Alright, go to the other video from it, okay? Continue.